What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be riding the track with the boys, and yeah. Here, T-Bone for short. He's one of the members of the track here. So let's go introduce. We're gonna call it D-Boys TV. D-Boys. I wonder why. Welcome everyone. This is Fun-Addicts YouTube channel, and this is the backyard track. Do you have a mic? Oh, what's that? Owner of this track here. We got my brother Caden Russell, Mitchell Reynolds behind the camera, and Talon right here on the 465 So yeah, this is the track. Let's go to the track. This is the starting gate right here, as you can see by the ruts. Starting gate right here, and then we go right here. This is the whole shot. Goes to that berm, then to this jump right here. It's pretty big. I'm 6'3". Goes around here to this berm, and then the loops. Then it goes to this tabletop, and then down to that berm, back to this jump. Back to this jump, to that berm, and this is basically the track. So yeah, let's get to ripping. Got Mr. Reynolds here on the old Chinese 50cc quad. Doesn't like to start. There we go. Give us something, Mitch.